this video, we're going to solve oblique triangles using cosine law. Again, let's start by labeling the triangle. Let's say this triangle is labeled A, B, C. Let's label the opposite sides as side A, side C, and side B here. All right. Let's provide some information for this triangle. Angle A, let's say, is 53 degrees. Let's say side C is 8 centimeters and side B is 12 centimeters. Okay. We need to solve for side A. This is what we need to figure out. So what do we have here? We have a side C, we have angle A, and we have side B. So it's the case side, angle, side, the angle contained between the two sides. So we know for sure that we can use cosine law. All right, let's write the formula, the general formula first. We're going to have A squared equals the square of the other two sides, B squared plus C squared minus 2 the product of the other two sides multiplied by cosine of the angle opposite side A. Okay, so this is the formula. Let's plot in the information from the triangle. A squared, side B we said is 12 centimeters. Side C is 8 squared minus 2 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 8 multiplying cosine of 53 degrees. All right, now that we have the information, let's use the calculator and to figure out these values. 208 minus 115.5. So in this product here, I rounded to the first decimal place. And we're going to get A squared equals to 92.5. Taking the square root of both sides, we figure out that A equals 9.6. Now rounding, as we said, can be tricky sometimes. The answer might change a little bit, but as we specify where we rounded, this is the result that we're going to get. Now let's look at another triangle. Okay, let's choose a triangle here. All right. And let's label this triangle now, triangle X, Y, and Z. Okay, we can use any letter that we choose to label the triangle. And the sides will be X, Y, and Z, low cases, right? Okay, this Z here does not look very pretty. Let's provide some information for this. Let's say side X is 13 centimeters, side Z is 15 centimeters, and side Y is 11 centimeters. All right? And we need to solve for angle Z. Let's write the general formula when we solve for angle Z, or an angle using cosine law. So cosine of angle Z equals side X squared plus Y squared minus the side opposite, which is Z squared, divided by 2 multiplying X and Y, right? Let's plot the information that we have here. X is 13, so we're going to have 13 squared minus 11 squared, plus 11 squared, minus 15 squared, divided by 2 multiplying 13 multiplying 11. All right, let's put that into our calculator. We get 65 divided by 286, and cosine of Z by rounding to the fourth decimal place on that ratio is 0.2273. Using the inverse function, we figure out that angle Z is inverse of cosine 0.2273. Okay, just to separate the 7 from where angle Z equals approximately 77 degrees. Okay, that's how we solve an oblique triangle using cosine law for the missing angle. Hope you found that helpful.